Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Humata AI in mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, open your web browser on your mobile device. Now search for Humata AI. Once the website opens, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here, tap on Sign Up. Now you need to enter your email address, then create a password. After that, tap on Continue. Now enter your first name, then enter your last name. Next, enter your organization's name. Then specify your department. Also indicate where you heard about them. These all are optional if you want fill or not. Finally, tap on Create Account. Now you need to verify your email address. So go back and open your Gmail. Open the email they sent you. Tap on the link provided to confirm your email address. Then select any web browser to open the link. You can now upload documents. And if you tap on the three horizontal lines, you can access the settings of your Humata AI account. So that's basically how you can use Humata AI in mobile. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.